See, we boys come prepared. We know when it's bike, we have to ride. We have to experience the ride. Step foot on this, hold my shoulder and climb. When Santosh is preparing everything, I am learning to take U-turns. So it's kind of easy when I stand. Not kind of. I am struggling when I keep the momentum and go. Hello people, welcome back and thank you for tuning in. Today is a Saturday, so Saturday rituals on. We're just going for a short spin, not on this bike but on the new one. I'm wearing two backpacks, one on top of the other. So Santosh and his brother Sunil are here. It's time to leave. We plan to head towards Kolar road, thinking the road would be a little empty. Santosh wants to do some photography and videos. We'll try to make some reels. So that's the plan for today. Last week we rode from Pune to Bangalore and today from Bangalore to Kolar. And I got the rocks handlebar risers fixed. So the bar has come up. This is a pivoting handlebar riser, so where you can bring the handlebar forward towards the rider according to your comfort. A little more comfortable. Along with that, I did get this gripper set which is used on heated grips. Now I need to get used to this. They are quite thick. Not like before. I was comfortable earlier, but the original grips have worn out a little and that rubber keeps sticking to the palm. The very sticky sensation there. So that's done. So we just have to wait for the remaining parts to arrive from Triumph. I've ordered for this windscreen, the main stand and the headlamp protector. So these three things are pending. So once those three things are fixed, I think the Tiger is complete. This I need to realign a little. I'm still not comfortable with the alignment, but it's better than before. We reached Cafe Coffee Day. Come. Santosh is coming to join me for the ride. Where da?
I got the helmet also.
Good thing. Coat?
Coat I
No time.
Coat I didn't
Coat you didn't bring.
I forgot.
How does it look?
Yeah, looks good. Very nice.
Cruise control hai bhai. I chuma cruise and come. What Sunil bhai? Cruise control is there. I'll cruise and come. After so long I'm seeing that helmet. Sunil bhai driving for the first time, huh? Automatic? First time, huh? See, we boys come prepared. We know when it's bike, we have to ride. We have to experience the ride. Step foot on this, hold my shoulder and climb. Ama. Die! Die! What? You would have dropped me. I didn't put the stand down. I am not an expert, mom. I am beginner. You hit the indicator or what?
No, the stand on top. Go. driving this.
Huh?
Go slow. He's driving that car for the first time alone.
First time alone? I thought alone. He just has to put it to drive, no? Oh, it's coming, it's coming. So what are your first impressions?
It feels very good.
Yeah, it pulls ra. I had an accidental wheelie pop by mistake once. I didn't get recorded, but this is stock. It's adjustable. It's adjust. Okay, I think I got hit today. This mark wasn't there before. Sunil bhai is flying it. I've never gone so fast with the pillion. There I rode in the city with the guy over there in the store. That was okay. At pillion, first time. Frozen bottle, Domino's, lemon leaf, Starbucks and McDonald's. Two-wheeler allena?
How is it to put it back? Okay.
Back is fine, front is a pain.
Get down.
Huh?
Oh God.
Wait, you have to stand. No. I'll tell you wait. Just sit. Stand on the foot peg. Stand on both foot pegs. Now get on. Lift your leg up.
Oh fuck.
That's how you need to get on.
The top box is there. How will you get down?
You need to put your leg through.
This is the cover you are telling, huh?
That stock plate will come, no? On the stock plate, you need to put this. Hopping on and off the bike is lesson number 1 for this adventure motorcycle.
This is default, is it? It comes like this.
No. That is an accessory. But the previous owner had all that. I haven't told our YouTube viewers also what comes with the bike, what hasn't come with the bike. I will make a video of that. All the stuff that I've ordered, let everything come. Let everything get fixed on the motorcycle. Then I'll make a review video of all the accessories. For now,
It's very good.
खाना खाएंगे. Hold please. So done with lunch at McD. We got good light. We'll go a little more further. We are at Mulbagal now. We'll go a little further. We'll find some empty space. We'll fly that drone. We'll do everything. Wait and watch. Everything looks fine as of now. Yeah, they're waiting outside. We need to find some shade so that we can work out on our Instagram reels. So do check out my Instagram handle. The ID is on the screen. When Santosh is preparing everything, I am learning to take U-turns. So it's kind of easy when I stand. Not kind of. I am struggling. When I keep the momentum and go, I can do it. But while seated, it's not happening. I don't know why. I'm feeling a little it's just that the handle can turn a lot, but I am not able to. I am still getting used to it. It's not easy. What happened? What is that, Muntra? Use the gimbal, no, otherwise it will fit in that.
Okay.
We have everything. Gimbal hai, stand hai, tripod hai, monopod hai. Time nahi hai. We made time. What's the time?
7 exact.
Exactly 7 in the evening, and we just finished having our coffee. We got some nice shots captured on the GoPro, reels, everything. Do check out my Instagram. I'll post the handle on the screen below. Don't forget to check it out. So we just reached Toll Plaza and waiting for the guys to catch up. I think you call it a day. We had a fun day. Took the bike, went out to some closed roads behind the highway. Actually, what do you call it? It was just parallel to the highway. Had some fun, got some nice footage, made a reel. I mean, edited the videos and posted a reel as well. That's what took time actually. We started coffee day. Santosh edited the video, transferred it back to me. I posted it, and then we started riding. We started riding. I started riding. The beach yesterday. I think I'll call it a day. So thank you for watching this one. Until the next one, take care and stay safe.
Okay, visor down, visor down. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Too late you turn that, jump and turn. Like
Keep
this.
that stone.
That black spot over there. Yeah, there, then you're Urbagal.
What? I'm standing right like this, sir.
No, keep that leg closer.
Okay.